Yo, I'm Micks Mowers Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. Today's video will also be my little tiny Riley boy. So hi Riley boy.
Hi boy home.
Hi everybody at home. So today we are doing giveaway day. Now, lots of you guys and girls may be thinking, old Micks Mowers, he said he was going to give away a free lawnmower. He ain't done a video on who's a winner yet. Shark, maybe he's going to keep it. Well, he ain't. So today, Kevin's going to turn up to come and claim his brand spanking new 30 minutes old lawnmower. And come here, Riley boy. And he's a 70-year-old retired firefighter who's got a lawnmower, but his lawnmower is broken, he can't fix it. He spent oodles amount of time trying to fix his own lawnmower. He's just been diagnosed with I think, with some kind of cancer. I don't know how bad or serious it is, I've got no idea, although it's not normally very good either way, but won't go into that. So he says he's never won anything in his life. Doesn't know if it's too late to enter a competition, blah, 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 blah. This is about 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. And I thought, do you know what, that's a good little story. I've had lots of people try and win this mower, say they've got their own lawn care business, needed like a backup mower, that'd be great, blah, blah, blah. That's great, but I wanted a little heartfelt message. And Kevin sent me the message, so I replied to him straight away and said, do you know what, Kev, you can have it, it's yours. And about 11 last night, he ran upstairs, I think, or hobbled, and went and woke his wife up to let her know that they're going to Bognor Regis tomorrow to pick up a mower from Micks Mowers. So I don't think she was very happy. But anyway, he's as happy as Larry. And I say as happy as Larry, he's as happy as Riley boy doing a Riley boy dance. That's how happy he is. So he's on his way down about 2 o'clock. It's only about 10:30 now, but the mower did have a problem. Last time we looked at the mower, had dirty carb because I left the fuel on over winter. And did a tank flush and all that sort of good stuff. But this time I dragged it out the workshop and there was no fuel in it. So it had let by. So I did a quick little carburetor clean. Now, if you haven't got one of these, right, pick these up. These are great. My mate Hank put me onto these. In fact, Hank sent me this one, which I use to this day. Little tiny pressurising testing kit, which you put on me. That goes on the end of a carburetor, right, where the fuel goes in. And let's just demonstrate that now. So let's just say it's a good carb. You pressurise it, right, and it'll hold up to about 5 psi, 4 psi you want, something like that. That demonstrates a good carburetor, and it's not letting by. If it does that, it's a bad carburetor. And if it does that, where it just lets by ever so slightly, you'll see it dropping in a minute. There you go, like that. That means a bad carburetor as well. So get one of those. They're about 25 quid now off of Amazon. Little tiny pressure testing kit. My mate Hank from Henry Milwaukee, Big Dog Repair. Check him out on YouTube channel. I will leave his link in the comment section down below. I'm trying to get Hank up to around about 1,000 subscribers this year if I can. He's currently up to about 700 now, so he's done really well out of me so far. So we keep going, another 300 subscribers to Hank, and he'll be up to his 1,000. So go and check out Henry Milwaukee, Big Dog Repair. I will put his channel in the comment section down below. Anyway, I divulge. Carburetor off this morning. It was letting by. Quick little carburetor needle and seat clean. Got the old earbuds in there and have a tidy up, bit of a clean up. Just one grain would do it. Put it all back together. And now the carb is now holding. It's been sat there for around about half an hour. Hand underneath the carby, bone dry, still got fuel in the system. Yes, we have. So now, let's fire it up. Give it 4 pumps. Fire it up, fire it up. Give it a pull. That's what Terrell says, yeah. First pull. Woohoo! That's what Terrell say. Self-propel. All works. All runs. So the next thing is Kevin's going to turn up, and I have said to Kev, you're going to have to appear on a video, Kev, because otherwise they won't believe me. And Kev will turn up about 2 o'clock today to come pick up his brand spanking new 30-minute old lawnmower. Kev, you will have to do an oil change on this, and the best way to do it, in all fairness, unless you've got a vacuum pump thing, is to get a pair of forceps and just stop the fuel, and then just tip the lawnmower up onto its side, carburetor side up, and pour the oil out after 5 hours. Once it's done for 5 hours running, tip up on its side, pour the oil out. I'll show you, Kev. And then put new oil in up to the dipstick level, and then you'll be good to go for the season going forward. So there you go. Kev will be turning up very, very shortly to come pick up his brand spanking new Cobra Lawnmower. Thank you very much to Cobra for sending this lawnmower out to us. Free of charge, full review. And now I give it away to somebody else so that they can actually have a brand spanking new lawnmower that they deserve. And hopefully Cobra will be sending me some more bits through. In fact, they have sent me a new Ego through to review, so that'll be coming up very, very soon on the channel. Battery powered Ego mower. So there's a petrol powered Cobra which Kevin will be picking up in a little while. So I'll come back to you in a little while once Kevin gets here, and we'll do a quick show and tell on this little lawnmower that Kevin's going to take home with him today. Right, so it's been a couple of hours, and my man Kev's come on in, Kev. Kev's just turned up. Now Kev's up in Reigate, okay, and he wrote me a little email. What time was that? 10:30 last night?
Yeah,
half
yeah,
10.
half 10, yeah.
About 10:30.
Yeah.
And he was saying that he's got a bit of poor health come on, and your lawnmower is no good, is it? It's knackered. You've tried?
Yeah, tried. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
So as we all know, I was giving away this Cobra Lawnmower, which I got given free of charge from Cobra to review, which I have done a review on. It's done 30 minutes of work, Kev. 30 minutes. It's brand new. Now all you're going to have to do is after 5 hours run time is change the oil.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the easiest thing to do is run it for about 5 minutes, right?
Well, yeah.
Once it's all been run, turn it off, pull your oil dipstick out,
Yeah.
and then tip it up onto its side, all the way over, carburetor side up, dipstick side down, pour it into a tub, leave it for about 5 minutes. When it's all been emptied out, tip it back on its wheels again, fill it back up with about 400, 450 ml of oil, but there is a minimum and maximum level on there like a car.
See that? Yeah.
With SAE 30, I'll text you it so you don't forget, and should be good to go.
Brilliant.
Right, so as I say, I had done a little bit of a carburetor cleanup this morning because it was leaking a bit of fuel this morning, just a dirty needle. That's the fuel. But now, let's give that about 5 pumps. And we'll start it up for you just to prove she's no gimmick. First pull, power drive. All singing, all dancing. Also, it comes with the added benefit of grass bag and side discharge, if you want to discharge it, and also the mulch plug. It goes in that way. You've got to hold that trigger in to lock it in.
Yeah.
There's a video on a review. Watch the review video. That goes in there. Yeah, that's it. Straight in there. Clip it in, away you go.
Lovely.
So what do you think then, Kev? You've just earned yourself a brand spanking new Cobra Lawnmower, free of charge, from Micks Mowers, if I can get that bag to go on properly. Okay. From Micks Mowers. What do you reckon?
I'm living in a dream world, mate.
Never won anything in your life?
No, never. And it's just, I'm over the moon.
Well, there you are, mate.
So quick.
Happy Christmas,
Cheers,
as they
mate.
say.
Thank you very much.
All right, so there you go. So there's a giveaway video. Thank you very much to Kev for coming down from Reigate, pick his mower up. He's now going to go all the way home, get it back to his car, cut your grass if it stays dry.
Yeah, it ain't up there.
And you'll be good to go. So check out Micks Mowers again very, very soon. I have more videos coming up for giveaways, bits and pieces. Always something. I'm always giving something away, guys and girls, so keep your eyes peeled. There you go, Kev. She's all yours.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
So there you go. Kev is now gone. The mower's now gone. That's one less in the shed, to be fair. But thank you very much to Cobra for sending that mower for me for review, and then to enable me to give that away. Now, I have actually got a Cobra Scarifier also to do a review on and give that away soon. So check out that soon. But Kev's now on his way back to Reigate to go and cut his grass. And I tell you, he is smiling like a Cheshire cat, because he said, "You never win nothing for nothing." And I said, "It's not true, babe. There you go. Brand spanking new lawnmower, Cobra lawnmower, for nothing." And he's happy. So he's now got a problem with his mower. He's got a no spark issue. We had a bit of a chat about that. Hopefully he can get his old mower up and running, and that'd be a backup mower, or that'd be a mower that he can sell, bit of money in his pocket, and good to go. So he gave me a spark plug because he bought 2 and hoping that was the issue with his, but it wasn't. But he said, "I don't use 2, I only need 1. And now I don't need another one because I've got a brand new lawnmower." So cheers, Kev. Much appreciated. So there he goes. Kev, the ex-fireman, retired in a bit of poor health, and had a problem with his lawnmower, and thanks to Micks Mowers and Cobra, dream come true. Brand spanking new Cobra lawnmower for you, Kev. So check out, as I say, check out Micks Mowers. I have got a few more bits to come. I've got a jump starter pack I'm to be giving away soon, and also a Cobra Scarifier giving away soon. Also doing that. So I've got loads of bits coming up, as always, loads of videos. And apart from that, hot tub tent just gone up, brand new. Bought that the other day. So me and Ryder Boy have been in the hot tub, and that'll keep all the dirt and bits and pieces out. So yeah, we're enjoying it now. So right, I've got to get on because there's a Hater 41 just there somewhere. Where is it? Yeah, there somewhere. Yeah, Hater 41, broken handle. Got to sort that out apparently. So I'll get that done today. And there you go. So if you like the video, Micks Mowers Mower Man, hit your subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all. That way you'll be time to upload another video. And I look forward to you guys next time. Micks Mowers very, very soon. But don't forget, much more importantly, take it easy.